Megahit helps you send newsletter sponsorships in two ways. It helps you find potential sponsors who are in your audience, and it gives you statistics to convince these companies to sponsor you. Let's start with finding potential sponsors. Megahit finds job data on your subscribers. What titles do they have? What companies do they work at? What are their LinkedIn profiles? Then you can filter your subscribers by this data. You can find all the people who make sponsorship decisions, for example, marketing people or founders and CEOs. These are people who already love your content. This makes it so much easier to sell sponsorships to them. Reach out to them through email or LinkedIn. Megahit also gives you statistics to convince companies to sponsor you. When companies run ads, they want to be sure that the ads will reach their ideal customers. These statistics let you prove that. You get statistics about your subscribers' job functions, the departments they work in, their seniority levels, company sizes, and what industries they work in. This lets you prove that your audience is, let's say, finance people at software companies. Once you prove that, companies will pay you a lot of money for sponsorships. If you want a longer demo, contact me through our website megahit.app.